Hi, I'm Greg from Expert Village, and I'm here to show you how to make some fantastic alcoholic drinks to help you enjoy your holiday season. To make French silk chocolate, we need chocolate chips, white corn syrup, rum, vanilla, whipping cream, and milk. Now let's start by adding our chocolate chips, some corn syrup, vanilla extract, and a splash of rum. I want to keep this on low heat and keep mixing until the chocolate chips are melted. And once it is, just set it aside and let it cool. Then put the whipping cream in a bowl and start whipping it until it just starts to become thick. Then add the chocolate and keep whisking. Once it begins to mound, it's nice and thick, then put it in the fridge and let it chill. We'll put some milk in a saucepan and let it simmer. And then once the milk is warm, pour it into a glass. And add some heaping tablespoons of our mixture. And then get ready for one sweet treat.